everyone, it's me again and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name is Faith Grenade and I put makeup videos here on YouTube sometimes. And you should subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. It's not even as hot as it's been this week. It's really, really hot today. Like, I am sweating. What you've stumbled across is Faith's Finds, which is usually a haul or an unboxing of some kind. And today we are adding to our Uncanny Creatures squad. I have quite a few going here, and we're about to add another one because I got this in the mail. So it's been really difficult for me to get Uncanny Creatures because normally, you know, by the time they go on sale, within 5 seconds they're sold out, and you know, she's gotten really popular, which I'm so happy for her for that. But at the same time, it's kind of like, man, I can't get any of them. This should be our largest Uncanny Creature yet. She's been making them bigger and bigger, and I'm so excited. So let's just open him up, shall we? Tearing through the tissue paper. And here he is. Oh, he's so precious. Oh, and he's gigantic. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness. And the fur is so soft. Like, I mean, her other faux furs were fantastic, but this one is the softest I have ever felt her creatures. This little fella is adorable. He's got a little brown bow tie, and one of his eyes is a little button. I am dead. Look how cute he is. Got his little taupey bow tie, which goes beautifully with his dark brown fur. He is so attractive. He's such a cute little fella, and he's got some nice teeth going on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Some nice teeth on the mouth there. A little mustache going. He's so dapper. He's so handsome. The color on his other eye is pretty too. It's like a blue, gold, green, kind of hazily color. Reminds me of my own eyeballs and my own eye color, so we sort of match, which is cute. Yes, this is the biggest, heftiest, and densest Uncanny Creature that I have gotten to date. This is also one of the more expensive ones. I want to say this was like $95 without shipping, so it ended up being like $101 or $110 or so. But definitely worth it. He's huge compared to my other Uncanny Creatures. Here's my bat here, which is one of the more recent ones I got, so you can have a little size comparison. The biggest one I had before this was, I want to say we named him Bartholomew, but he's in the other room, and he's even, I think, like 2/3 this size. He's adorable, and he needs a name. So you guys know the drill. Leave your name ideas in the comments down below. I would love for you guys to name this little fella. I mean, my first instinct would be to name him Buttons because of his button eyeball, but I feel like that would be too generic. But he's also got this delicious little sweep bang. He kind of looks like an emo kid, which I just love. I cannot. Do a little front side back here. There he is in all of his beautiful furry glory. There's his back end, his front again. He is fantastic and majestic and magnificent. I could see myself dressing like, you know, professor-y sort of Indiana Jones type character, and him being my little animal companion for some action movie or something. But yes, he is the latest addition. I can see her quality and her variety growing with each additional release of Uncanny Creatures, and I cannot wait to see what this artist comes up with next because she's fantastic. So that's about it for today. Just a quick video to get this guy out to the world. He's fantastic and I adore him. So if you guys want to check out the Uncanny Creatures and maybe try to snatch one up for yourself, I'll leave the link to the artist's Etsy shop down below. In the meantime though, I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt, you know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the faithful today. I put out new videos at least once a week. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!